can, I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but, I'm gonna play Animal Jam. Wait, I need to say my intro. Oops. Ha. Who cares? Hey guys, Howling LPS here, where today, a good friend of mine, told me how to actually, record on my computer. Thank you so much. Here. Zoom. Okay, maybe you guys can see that better. That. Okay, let's spin. But SK Assassin, is his YouTube channel, and he actually taught me how to do this. So, switch animals. These are my animals, by the way. I have a lot of Arctic foxes and Arctic wolves. Those are my main animals I always use. For this, let's go Arctic wolf. Male. Let's see. I don't care about that. Okay. So, what should we do? What's this? Oh, this is where you buy the flags. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, that one's awesome. Oops. I think that's all they have. But, ooh, the pirate flag. I really like the phantom flag. Okay, I have my tablet here, and, I'm gonna look up codes for Animal Jam. So, basically how you put in a code is, you go to My Settings, which is the little, like, cog right there, or whatever you call it, and you go AJ code, and you put enter code, right? So let's put that. Okay, let me look up codes for Animal Jam. Animal Jam. And hopefully the ones that, my dog growling in the background, hopefully the ones, that worked in 2017. Oh, here's a new one. 4 days ago. So this should work. AJ Treasure Chest. So that's AJ Treasure Chest. Just like that. And you get 1,000 gems. That's right, guys, 1,000 gems. So let's get this phantom flag. I really like this phantom flag. Okay, what's the next one? Annual to play. So that is ANN. Wait, NN, right? Yeah, ANNUAL to play, which is PLAY. Just like that, you get 900 gems. And then you also get something on Play Wild. But I don't play Wild, so. Okay, the next one is Fast Friend. Just like that. Oops. And if you don't know how to spell it, it's FASTFRIEND. Continue, you get 250 gems. Let's enter another code. Soft Friend. Oops. SOFTFRIEND. Friend. Just like that. Continue. Oop, what? Did I spell it right? Oops, I just pressed something. Maybe this one doesn't work anymore. Okay, that's fine. So the next one, I don't really know what it does. AJ. Wait, no. It's the next one after that. This one gives you 500 gems. So AJ, play cards. AJ, play cards. We get 500 gems, just like I said. The only problem with this zoom is I can't really see this. Okay. There! Hi. I am YouTubing. Dang it. Hey, what's this? Oh, same thing, I think. It just has more. Wait. Oh. Wait. United Kingdom. Let's get this. Because a lot of my family is actually from the United Kingdom. Okay. The peace flag is only for members. And also the... I think this is the same. Yeah, same stuff. Okay, back to codes. Enter code. The next code is Winter Game. Now this is the one that I don't really know what it does. Oh, it gives you this book. I didn't really know what it did, but it gives you this book. So let's keep. Okay, so hi. Let's try this again. I'm to date. So, they don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a YouTube. I don't know, that's the best I can do for YouTube. Okay. Ooh, here's a good one. So if you put in 12, oh, I already put this in. Sorry guys, but if you put in 12, you get 1 diamond. But I actually already put that in. So, let's see. Okay, here's another good one. Oops. Downy Friends. And you get 1,000 gems. Here, let's go to... Okay, let's go to Jamal. To Jamal Township, I mean. Let's go here. I don't know. Here. Okay. Not charging yet. Okay, so okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay. What do we have? No way. Nah. Nope. No. Nope. Where even is that? Okay. Squid hat. Oh, that's cute! I kind of like that. Yeah. I like that. Let's get this nice blue color. Okay, now let's take that off me, like, right now. Wait, I forgot what was on me. Oops. Alright, it was this. Okay. So, okay, you know what? Let's stay in here. Let's see if we can find it better. Okay, so there's a lot of codes that give you like 750 and 500 gems. But I'll give you the link. So what it's called is www.animaljamworld.com/codes. Wait. Yeah, www.animaljamworld.com/codes. So you can find all the codes that I'm using right there. Now I only have 4 minutes left. So let's change here. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you really enjoyed. I hope this was useful. This is gonna be my first gaming video, also known as my first video. So remember in the intro I said I was Howling LPS. That's my other channel. This channel will be Gaming with Wolf. I'm not gonna upload on it very often, just when I can, but I hope you did enjoy. I hope it was useful. This might actually go up on Howling LPS. The gaming channel is not Howling, Gaming with Wolf. I haven't posted anything on it yet, unless this is obviously going to go up on that channel. But keep howling. Bye. How do I stop it?